The next important probability rule is the addition rule. If A and B are events on a sample space, then the probability of A or B equals the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. Here we are putting into mathematics words we use in everyday speech. The word or translates into addition in mathematics. We can use an example to understand this rule. Remember that all probability is counting. Imagine we have a classroom of students. Of the 100 students in the classroom, 65 are men, and thus 35 are women. 45 of the men are freshmen, and 15 of the women are freshmen. We are interested in the probability of drawing a name at random from the class roll and getting either a man or a freshman. The probability of getting a male is 65 divided by 100, or 0.65. And the probability of getting a freshman is 45 plus 15 divided by 100 equal 0.6 in this example. A in the formula is the number of males, 65, and B in the formula is number of freshmen, 60. The problem for accurate counting is that some of the freshmen will be counted twice, the ones who are both male and freshmen. We need to subtract these to get our answer. This is what the term probability of A and B does for us. In this example, we subtract 45 males from the total number of males. This probability of getting both a male and a freshman is 45 divided by 100 and is the last term in the equation, probability of A and B. The solution is probability of A equal 0.65 males, probability of B 0.6 freshmen, probability of A and B equal 0.45 freshman males. So the probability of randomly drawing a name from the class roster and getting either a male or a freshman is 0.65 plus 0.6 minus 0.45 equal 0.8. We can see something interesting when we do it this way. If we just added the two probabilities of A and B, we would have a probability more than 1. And a probability cannot ever be more than certainty. This concept has no meaning. If A and B are mutually exclusive, meaning A cannot happen if B happened, then the probability of A and the probability of B equals 0. Then the addition rule, probability of A or B, equals probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B becomes probability of A or B equals simply probability of A plus probability of B, which is the simple sum of the probabilities of A and B.